Welcome to Career Sneak Peek. If you're loving what we do here, we'd greatly appreciate it if you could hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. We're excited to have you here. Today, we will take a sneak peek into the career of a production assistant, PA. What exactly does a production assistant do? Well, a production assistant is an entry-level position in the film, television, and media production industry. Their primary responsibility is to provide invaluable support to the production team, assisting with various tasks necessary for the smooth operation of a production. On our career rating scale, the PA role receives a 1 out of 5 stars for its salary prospects. However, it serves as an excellent starting point to enter the film industry, boasting an entry difficulty rating of 1 out of 5. When it comes to stress of a 2 out of 5 and satisfaction of a 3 out of 5. While the salary may not be the highest, with an average of $33,000 per year and a salary range of $25,000 to $44,000, or $15 to $25 per hour, it offers a solid foundation for building a career. So, how can you secure a PA job? Obtaining a relevant degree in film, media studies, or a related field is beneficial, although not always necessary. Gaining practical experience through internships or volunteering on student or independent film projects will significantly enhance your chances. Now, let's explore the vital skills required to excel as a production assistant, PA. Strong organizational and multitasking abilities. A PA must possess exceptional organizational skills to juggle multiple tasks efficiently. They need to manage schedules, prioritize responsibilities, and ensure smooth coordination between various production elements. Excellent communication and interpersonal skills. Effective communication is essential for a PA to collaborate with cast, crew, and other team members. Strong interpersonal skills help build positive relationships, facilitate clear instructions, and foster a harmonious working environment. Thriving under pressure and meeting deadlines. The production environment can be fast-paced and demanding. PA should thrive under pressure, stay composed, and meet tight deadlines while maintaining quality and attention to detail. Keen attention to detail and strong problem-solving skills. PA must have a keen eye for detail to ensure that everything on set is in place. They should be proactive problem solvers, capable of quickly identifying and resolving issues that arise during production. Familiarity with production equipment and procedures. A solid understanding of production equipment, workflows, and procedures is crucial for a PA. They should be familiar with industry standard tools and possess the technical knowledge to assist with equipment setup and maintenance. Basic computer skills, including proficiency with software. PA need to be comfortable using computers and software relevant to the production process. Proficiency in applications like Microsoft Office and industry-specific software facilitates efficient communication, organization, and data management. Physical stamina to endure long and demanding work hours. Production schedules can be demanding, often involving long hours and physically strenuous tasks. PA should have the physical stamina and endurance to perform their duties effectively throughout the production process. Now, let's dive into the job description and duties of a production assistant. Assisting with administrative tasks, including answering phones, organizing schedules, and managing paperwork. Setting up and maintaining production equipment and supplies. Running errands, such as picking up and delivering items on set. Assisting with the setup and breakdown of production sets and locations. Coordinating the activities of cast and crew members. Assisting during filming or recording by operating clapperboards, distributing scripts, and performing other on-set tasks. Providing general support to the production team as needed. As a PA, your versatility and adaptability will be crucial in fulfilling these duties and ensuring the smooth execution of the production. Regarding career progression, here are the potential paths for a production assistant. First, as a production assistant, you will gain valuable experience in various aspects of production as an entry-level position. This role provides a solid foundation and understanding of the production process. Next, you can progress to become a production coordinator. In this role, you will assume greater responsibility for the administrative and logistical aspects of production. You will play a vital role in ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Afterwards, you can transition to the role of assistant director, AD. As an AD, you will work closely with the director, assisting in coordinating and organizing the production. You will help orchestrate the creative vision while ensuring that all elements come together seamlessly. Continuing along the career path, you may advance to the position of production manager or line producer. In this role, you will take charge of managing the budget, logistics, and overall production process. Your expertise will be essential in keeping the production on track and within financial constraints. Moving further up the ladder, you may aspire to become a producer. As a producer, you will oversee the entire production process, from its initial development stages to post-production. You will be responsible for assembling the creative team, managing resources, and ensuring the project's success. Finally, with significant experience and honed skills, some former PA may even transition into specialized roles such as director, cinematographer, or editor. These positions require a deep understanding of their respective fields and offer opportunities for creative expression and leadership. And that concludes our sneak peek journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.